Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Total War 3 Kingdoms for free. I had this downloaded already and it worked out really great. It's just I accidentally deleted it, so it works out for the video. I'll be re-downloading it alongside with you. So go ahead and head over to the piratebay.org or something like that and just type in, there it is, Total War 3 Kingdoms. And you're going to want to choose the one that has the most seeds right here. Just close that. Yes. You may have to make sure you copy the crack at the end of this to make sure it works. Actually, I think in the installer they provide, you can automatically check a box that copies the crack after it's done installing, so you don't even have to worry about that. So that's nice. Yes, he's the only one it doesn't work for. Sorry, Fantodant. Alright, go ahead and open this. I like to get magnet links. Okay. Go ahead and clear that. It doesn't take too long to download. It goes pretty fast. So I'm gonna switch back whenever we're done here. Alright, so we're finally done downloading. It took us about, let's see, where's our elapsed? Oh, I guess it doesn't give an elapsed time in qBittorrent. Okay, but what I wanted to tell you guys was that before you started downloading the torrent, you're gonna have to need a torrent client, and I use qBittorrent, which is, it works great. You can use uTorrent, BitTorrent, whatever you want. Okay, so now that you have it downloaded, open where it's at. And this file right here, the disk image file, you're going to want to mount that, and then you're going to want to run setup. And then at this point it's pretty self-explanatory. It's really easy. So you just choose where you want it to go. Yeah, so I'm going to start my new folder. And then this part makes it easy right here. What you want to do is check this box, copy context of codex directory to install directory. The codex is, I'm pretty sure, the crack, which makes it so you can play this without having to purchase it or have a verified copy. And doing this makes it so you don't have to do it manually from this folder later. It'll just do it right after the install. Okay, so now that after you have chosen your folder, chosen all your options and selected this, click install, and then it'll do its thing. So I'll be back when it's done. Alright, and we're back. So just finished up the installation, and if everything went well, it should say successfully installed. Now let's see here. Just trying to get to download codex. Okay, so let's see here. Mount. If you did not click this, then you're going to have to do this manually. If you did, don't pay attention to this part, you can skip right over it. But this is for people that did not click that. It's not the end of the world. You're going to have to go into codex and copy everything in here into your folder where you put the game. So we went here, 3 Kingdoms, and you would just place it in there. Alright, but other than that, I mean, we're ready to play. Just double click the application and you're good to go. Yep. We don't have Steam running. Maybe you shouldn't have Steam running just in case. Just in case. We'll get some gameplay going for a little bit. I'll show you that everything's here. And I'm not sure if this includes DLC. We'll go back and read the torrent to make sure. It does take a little to boot up though. It's a big game. A lot of artwork in here. It might just be taking longer to boot up on my computer because I don't have the best components. There we go, right when I say something. Heaven is to be rent asunder, earth shall fall away. What a great prophecy. You love to hear that. Alright. So you can see there's a new campaign. Maybe any of these from the coalition. You got your governors, outlaws, yellow turbans. Will be he.
Surrender yourself to the cause, and know peace.
Her Yi sees the mandate of heaven passing from the embers rise, stark against the night. The tyrant Dong Zhuo wields the flames of destruction. Luo Yang burns. Chaos ignites as the power of the eunuchs is crushed. In the pyre, the Han falters. As the old ways, the corrupt ways, die, a new flag is raised.
My flag.
He knows it is time. The people must dawn like the spring.
Let's go. We got this, we got this.
China is in turmoil.
China.
The great empire of the Han, stretching back ages of warlords, rose up, led by the charismatic Yuan Shao, to save the Han.
To load up the game, my
Faced with
computer takes a
united
long time
opposition,
initially, but
Dong Zhuo
once you start taking
retreated
turns,
west
it's really good. It's
to his
smooth.
stronghold of Chang'an, razing the old capital Luoyang to the ground.
There's Luoyang. I just press escape and skip that. Come on. There we go. There you are. We have the full game.
Not possible.
For the cause!
And take over China.
Let the people
Alright, guys.
rejoice in our victory!
If this helped you out, please show
For
some
China!
love, like and subscribe, and if you need any help, just leave it in the comments and I'll get with you and see if I can help. Alright, have a great day.